how to download Disney Speedstorm on your mobile device or your tablet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest and the most genuine way in order to download the Disney Speedstorm game on your tablets or your mobile device. If you are doing this on your mobile or tablet, you can easily find the Disney Speedstorm on both your Android or iOS. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that the device you're using is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS. In the search bar, type in Disney Speedstorm and search. From the search results, go find the Disney Speedstorm game from Gameloft SE and tap on Install or Get. On your iOS, you need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Google or your Apple ID password. Go ahead and do that and the download process will begin. It'll take a couple of minutes for the application to download depending upon your device's internet connection. So wait for the download to be completed and you'll be good to go. So that's how you can easily find Disney Speedstorm on your Android or iOS depending upon your device's type. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.